Welcome to Tabla Lesson tutorial. In this video we are going to learn a complete lesson for Rupak Taal. Rupak Taal is 7 beats Taal, so we will look its theka in the beginning. If you are a English language speaker or you only understand English, I have made several videos for English that I'll keep in the description box. You can go and watch through it. The basics of tabla, like tabla alphabets and other basic, so beginners level lessons I have already taught there. So if you are directly new and directly in this video, if you are new in tabla or beginners in learning tabla and you came directly to this video, you can check the links and lessons in my description box and learn first the basics how to produce sound in tabla, and you again come to this video and watch it, so it will be more easier for you to learn tabla. Thank you for coming, and keep commenting what you want to learn and how is my video, what I should improve, or what lesson you want in comment box. This English series, I have made it for my viewers who commented that we want these lessons in English also, we didn't understand Hindi so much. So thank you for suggestion, and I appreciated that. Oh yeah, I must teach in English also, because there are a lot of people who don't understand Hindi in the world. So let's come and make this possible. So please comment about my performance, about my lessons, about what you need, so we can collaboratively make video and learn more. Thank you for coming here. Now let's start the lesson Roopak Taal today. So the theka is tin tin na di na di na. So how do you play tin 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 na di na di na? I'm directly in my all video I don't teach theory part, because I directly teach how to play it. So if you want to learn the little bit theory tali khali, so you please comment if you would like to learn, because most people don't want to learn, so I don't make those videos. So they also want to learn playing directly, so I also teach them directly to play how to play. But it's not the problem. If you want to learn the theories, you can watch other video, or you also want me to teach theory, then please comment in the comment box. So here we are just learning the Rupak Taal, theka, and some major variations that you will need in playing in songs and versions on live. Playing this 7 variation, mastering the 7 variation from every side will work you for the entire life. So let's start. Di di na di na di na. Di di na di na di na. Di. We strike in here. Di di na di na di na. That's so easy. So we'll go to now variation number 1. Variation number 1 is tin tin na na di di na na di di na. Tin tin na na di di na na di di na. Tin tin na na di di na na di di na. Tin tin na na di di na na. Tin tin na na di di na na di di na. Tin tin na na di di na na di di na. Tin tin na na di di na na di di na. So I hope you get it. Tin tin na na di 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 di. In di di you slide front and back. Di 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 na na di di na na. That's only the difference in here. So we'll move to our next variation. Tin ta tik di na na di di na. Tin ta tik So easy. How we'll play it? Tin, ta, te, te, di, na, na, di, di, na, na. Just striking here. Tin, ta, te, te. Tin, ta, te, te. Tin, ta, te, te, di, na, na, di, di, na, na. Other are same. So our next third variation is tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na. Tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na. Tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na. Tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na. Tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na. We love thoroughly. Tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na, na. Tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na. Tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na. Tin, tin, na, te, te, di, di, na, na, di, di, na. Our next variation is tin, tin, na, te, di, da, di, di, na, na, di, na, na. So easy. Tin, tun, na, te, di, da, di, da. Tun, na, te, di, da, di, da. So if you don't know how to play tun, na, te, di, da, di, da, I have already made the videos in our first lessons. How to play tira kita, how to play tun, how to play na. I have taught around 40 letters alphabets of tabla. How to produce the sound of those balls. I have long video series there, so you can watch. The video are basics of tabla, alphabets of tabla. The title are alphabets of tabla. I'll keep it in the description box. If you are feeling hard to produce this sound, all the basics, mastering those basics will bring you to make this play very easily. Tin, tun, na, ke, ti, da, ti, 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 na, na, di, na, na. Tin, tun, na, ke, ti, da, ti, 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 na, na, di, na, na. Tun, na, ke, ti, da, ti, ti. Tun, na, ke, ti, da, ti, 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 na, na, di, di, na, na. Hope you get it. In this video we'll just keep it up to here. We have learned some 5 variations and one theka of Roopak Taal. Roopak Taal is the 7 beats Taal. So hope you get it. Keep practicing these basic Taals and keep forming your own creativity to make it more easy, enjoying and playing. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, because we will be uploading more English lessons for you. And please share to your friends so that we reach more to our community and grow playing tabla. Thank you. Thank you for coming in Tabla Lesson tutorial. Hope to see you soon in the next video.